road to make a change. Nothing will be the same.
Build your career by becoming a tradie with MIT.
The pre-trade program is targeted for students that want to get into the trades.
I enjoy sort of like the teaching style. There's a lot of practical work. This is good, sort of balances between practical and theory.
MIT is a great starting point, if you like, for anyone that wants to get into the trades.
When I first started, I was definitely a bit scared, but I've gotten used to it now and I know my way around here and stuff, so yeah, it's all good.
I wanted to sort of have some prior knowledge before I get into an apprenticeship.
One thing that really interested me was once you become qualified, it could take you around the world.
Just always loved working with my hands and getting out in the world and just experiencing life.
Probably start up my own business. MIT can help with that as well.
Every day you're kind of in the workshop actually making things. So much more fun because you can be like, hey, I made that.
It works well because they end up with a base level of skills that employers are looking for. It gives them the opportunity to approach employers, explain what they're doing at MIT and get a career started. A lot of the students get jobs that are for 2 days. They're here 3 days a week, so they can work 2 days a week. That's what we try to get them to do, to get that job and get into a career.
Trade up and get a career in building, electrical, mechanical engineering, plumbing, gas fitting, construction, refrigeration, air conditioning, automotive.
It's certainly not just being pigeonholed into becoming a tradesman. You know, you can look at other construction-related courses.
Come to MIT with a can-do, want-to-do attitude.
There's really nothing to be scared of. I mean, we've got a great bunch of tutors here who have been in the field for many years. They're just wanting to bounce their knowledge and expertise off to the younger generation.
You should choose MIT
because it's a good balance between theory and practical.
You should choose MIT because of the teachers.
Because you get real world skills.
You should choose MIT because if you've got a trade, you've got it made.